Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be unboxing this month's BoxyCharm. As you beautiful people know, this is about the products and not the people behind them. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. Should probably check my teeth before I do this. I just had some pita chips. We're good. Just a second, I gotta take a sip of my root beer flavored seltzer water. Yum. Anyways, how is everyone today? I hope you're doing wonderful. I myself am so fucking excited. If you could see this half of my room, you probably would be astounded. It is full of packing boxes. Like, I'm a little bit embarrassed that I even have this much shit. What's more, the bedroom on the other side of this wall is full as well. Why is that? Because the bitch is finally fucking moving. Oh my god, it's about time. For the last like 3 months, all of my videos have been like, I'm so sorry it's so hot because my air conditioning has been out and they will not fix it. But I'm moving to a brand new townhouse. I'm gonna be the first to live in it, and yes, I will bring you along with me. I'm gonna try my best to do like a vlog style video and show you the before and then how I decorate it, maybe a few little DIYs in between. I'm so fucking pumped, but I'm also pumped to unbox this. So for those of us who might be a little bit unfamiliar with BoxyCharm, it is a $21 a month beauty subscription service where each month you get over $100 worth of full-size luxury beauty items, and honey, these bitches come to fucking slay the game. We get things from Ofra, Tarte, Hank and Henry, Laura Mercier, like you name it, it's been in here. And if you're like me, who's basically a borderline makeup hoarder, this subscription is perfect because you do get a lot of really good quality items in here for really cheap. And I'm not gonna lie, not every item in here is always a winner, but usually there's like a big ticket item in here that totally makes up for anything in here. Personally, I think the worst thing I've gotten in here is like a nail polish because I don't use nail polish, and maybe like a lip pencil that wasn't the creamiest. But for the most part, this shit is banging. And like always, anytime I get anything for free on this channel, I will always let you know, and BoxyCharm does provide the service to me at no charge to review for you. But does that mean I'm a sugarcoat a damn thing? Fuck no. If I like something in here, I'll tell ya. If I hate it, I'll let you know. Above anything on this channel, we are friends, we are family, we are a very close community. I'm not here to sell you anything, but if at any point you do decide, hey, I kinda fucking love this box, and you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, BoxyCharm was kind enough to provide me with a link down below for you to use, but please don't feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it, I'm just saying. I'm always very grateful anytime I see somebody using my code, so big thanks to anybody who has used it. Now, let's move on to unboxing this. Since everything is packed, I literally have no idea what the fuck I'm gonna open this with. Oh, hey, here we go. I have a violin bow. This is probably not good for this. I do not recommend it, but here we go. It worked. But like usual, I really have not seen any spoilers for this month. I've kind of been avoiding social media, not for any particular reason, I just have been too lazy to go on it. So let's open this up and see what the little card says. Oh, we have a couple cards. That's weird. It looks like we have a coupon for the Skin Bar Plus Elemis at Ulta Beauty. I don't really know what that is, but since it's a coupon, I'm guessing we're getting something like that in this box. And then this month's theme is BoxyCharm au Naturale. And I do want to warn you, typically I do like a full face of products when I do these and review all of them. Usually I'll end up doing like a makeup look, but because it is so fucking warm in here, I'm so sorry, I cannot do that. I don't know if you can see, but my face is like breaking out from sweating so much. I do have quite a bit of makeup on right now to try to cover that up, but I actually have to film quite a few videos today. There's a fan blowing on me to try to help, but I'm not gonna be able to do like a full look. I'm so sorry, but next month I'm in my new place. I should have my new office set up, so we will be back to the norms. And a fucking who, let's open this bitch up and feel our little phalanges inside. We have a tube of lube. No, we don't. Oh my gosh. Well, there we go. We have it. This is exactly what was in that picture for the 10% off coupon. This is Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Oh, that reminds me of like Vitamita Vegemin from I Love Lucy. This says it's a nourishing prebiotic green mask. That's kind of fun. Oh, and it's the kind that like dries down and you wipe away. I used to love those peely ones, but oh my god, I feel like half my fucking face comes off when I rip them things off. So, oh my god. It's okay, it landed in a box of my makeup brushes. Is it sealed for my protection? Yes, it is. I'm just gonna open it and let's see. Ooh, it's nice and green and creamy. It's like leprechaun sperm in here. Ooh. Ooh, and it does have a nice clean smell to it, kind of like fresh cotton. Ooh, or a locker room, but not like a high school locker room, like an adult locker room where they have actual good colognes and not Axe. I mean, I do have a bottle of it in my cupboard. But yes, I am very excited to try that out. Our next item is, I don't know no, this month it kind of feels a little bit light, so I wonder if we're gonna get kind of a more expensive item in here. All right, what else do we have in here? Maybe some anal desensitizing gel? No, but just as good. I think this is a lipstick or lip gloss. I can't tell. This says Alamar Cosmetics. What is this? Mother of Pearl Gloss. Not gonna lie, I'm not a big lip gloss fan, but this does look very pretty. Let me just apply a little bit. Oh! Mmm. It doesn't have a taste, I don't think. Maybe it tastes kind of fruity, but it's very, very comfortable on the lips. Like oily, almost like a liquid lip balm kind of feel. Let me apply a little bit more because I want to wear this throughout the video. Oh, I like this. Although I'm not gonna lie, I probably am gonna give this to my mom. Not that I wouldn't use this, but I feel like this would look amazing on her. I really like this. It's kind of like peachy pink, but it's got a few gold flecks in it. Can you even see it because my mouth is talking so much? I really like this, and it's super fucking comfy on the lips. Like, I've only recently been getting into lip glosses because I don't like that sticky, gummy, cummy feel on my lips. But a lot of brands have been releasing these more oily, kind of moisturizing lip glosses, and I'm here for it. So we'll set that right there and move our titties on. Here's something flat. What is this? Oh, it's brushes. It reminded me of one of those like satchels of potpourri that you hang. Does anybody even have those anymore? I always see them at like Hobby Lobby and Joann Fabrics. Anyways, these are the Lux TG. I don't know how you say that. There's pronunciation there, but it's got an upside down E. What the fuck does that mean? This says unleash your true beauty by being kind to the earth. I like that. Please help keep our planet beautiful by recycling this package. I will definitely do that. In fact, I'm probably just gonna pop these back in here once I'm done and put them in my packing box, but oh my gosh, these are lovely. What was that? Did you hear that? There was like a loud crash, which reminds me of last week when a fucking big ass bus ran into a car right outside my window. Like, holy shit, that was loud. And you know I was standing there watching it literally with popcorn. So anyways, let's look at these. Whoops, I dropped it. Okay, we'll take that and set those over there. These feel very, very nice. I'm not sure if these are natural haired bristles. They don't feel natural, but they are very luxurious feeling. This one especially, oh my gosh. This is a foundation brush, but honestly, I would probably use this more for blending out my concealer. This one is the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush. That looks about right for that. I do have some eyeshadow on, so I'm not gonna put it on there, but I don't have any makeup right there, so oh my God, that feels good. Oh, wait, no, never mind. Apparently I did have some makeup on right there. Anyways, though, what is this? Precision crease. Ooh, that is perfect for like cutting a nice crease. I like these. Just slip those bitches back in there. It makes me wonder if we're gonna get like a face product or maybe an eyeshadow palette. Let's feel. I think we have one more item. No, it looks like we have two. A pencil. It's green. Ooh, this is gel liner. Although I do have green eyes, so that might help them pop. Ooh, but that scares me. I typically don't stray away from like blue or black or brown. But I'm always down to fuck with new things, so let's see if it's even creamy. Oh my God, it looks creamy. Oh. Yes, she is. It's kind of like a teal color. What is it called? Forest green, not teal at all. And I guess that actually does look exactly like a forest green shade, so what the fuck, Nady? But super fucking creamy. A lot of times with BoxyCharm with these pencils, we do kind of run into more waxier things where it can be really difficult to apply it, so oftentimes I'll just end up throwing it away. But this is actually really soft and creamy, so I could see myself using this. Unfortunately, I'm not going to today, but that does feel really nice. The only thing that I don't love about it is normally by now with a regular pencil it would be dried down, but this just kind of rubs around. So maybe it could be used also as an eyeshadow base. And it doesn't say that it's waterproof, so I really don't know that I would use this on my waterline. And that does kind of scare me for using as a wing too, because I'm just scared that it'll wipe away. But I'm really fucking stoked to try this maybe as like a tight line right above my lashes. And maybe on my actual upper waterline, I think it would really make my eyes pop. Yes, what do we think? Alright, we'll set that up there and go in for the kill. I think this is the last item, which is an eyeshadow palette, I think. Butter London, that's a good brand. Oh, that actually is a really pretty eyeshadow palette, and this is probably like $200. I always get the biggest fucking kick out of the pricing list because things seem outrageously expensive. I mean, we are only paying 21 bucks for it, so really who cares, but still. Even so, let me go ahead and swatch these. Let me see. This one is And oh my god, this is Enchantress. Oh my god. Alright, but there is that one. A very pretty kind of neutral gold. Here we have Queen. Ooh, that feels lovely too. Star. Oh my god, I love that. It's like a sage green. Focus, you bitch. There we go. And we have Diva, also very nice, a little bit kind of on the chunky, grittier side. And then we have Temptress. Oh my god, that matte feels amazing. Oh god, where am I gonna put these? Put that right there. Very nice. That one there, there. Oh, that green, I love it. Wow, those are lovely. And we can't forget about the last one, which is Femme Fatale right there. Oh, that is so pretty. I totally get why they added a green liner to this, because this plus this, just thinking about that makes me wet, moist, all of the above. Oh my god, so fucking pretty. Oh my god, I want to do a look so damn bad. But as you can probably see, I am already shiny and sweating. I have cleavage sweat and I don't even have cleavage. But what I can do is take a highlighter brush. I don't know that this is a highlighter brush. This is a foundation brush that I'm going to use as a highlighter brush. I can at least use one of these as a highlighter, so let's dip into Enchantress. Why is that so fucking hard for me to say? I have no idea, but let's also get you zoomed in a little bit more. Exactly what I want, you to be able to see my little rash on my face. Also, notice my sunburn that I tried to cover up here. Very classy. Anyways, let's dip right into this one right there. I'm not fucking saying it again. And it picks up very, very nicely on the brush. Let's dust off the excess and, oh, let me throw that away. And here we go. I may have dusted off a little bit too much. No, you can kind of see that. I want more. Oh, okay, that is very, very pretty. It looks beautiful on my skin. It just kind of like melts in. Oh, I love that. Let's go ahead and highlight the other side because we don't want to be lopsided. And right there. Oh, that is lovely. Oh, I'm such a highlighter hoe. Like, I am not happy until my highlighter either makes me look plastic or like I'm having a heat stroke. Make me look sweaty, baby. Anyways, I really like that though. I really can't vouch for how they perform on the eyes, but on the face, fuck me sideways. Wait, why the fuck did I use this? I should have used one of the brushes that it came with. Damn it! I'm sorry, this is just a fucking fail. With that being said, let's go ahead and wrap this mofo up by looking at the cards and pricing everything out. So first up, we have the LMS Superfood Vital Veggie Mask right here. This retails for $35. That does seem expensive, but then at the same time, I paid like $70 for masks, so I guess that's okay. But this says, get a shot of green goodness with this treatment mask that nourishes, smooths, and brightens for softer, smoother, more radiant skin. Honestly, once I'm done filming for the day, I'm probably gonna slather this shit all over my face because the redness from my sweating is just awful. Next up, we have the Butter London Natural Goodness Eyeshadow Palette, which retails for $32. That actually isn't that bad of a price, I don't think. Like, we've gotten a lot of Butter London products, and for the most part, I've loved every single one of them. Like, they seem to be really good quality, so I'm okay with that price. But the little description says, serving queendom realness, bring out your inner goddess, or god, in Butter London's Natural Goddess Eyeshadow Palette. Enchant with 6 highly pigmented, long-lasting shades. Whether you're feeling like a diva or a temptress, these cruelty-free shadows pair effortlessly to create imaginative looks that will make a powerful entrance. Bitch, I do not need any eyeshadow to make a powerful entrance. This is enough, but these certainly could help. Just a second, I need another sip of my bubblies. Then we have the Luxy 3-piece brush set, which retails for $30. Wow, I do own quite a few Luxy brushes, and they are very good quality, but $30, my goodness. Anyway, create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxy brush set. Apply foundation with the Luxy 510 foundation brush, blend your eyeshadow with the Luxy 250 large eye blending brush, and precisely apply color to your crease with the Luxy 246 precision crease brush. Up next, we have the Alamar Cosmetics Mother of Pearl Gloss, which retails for $10. Now that is a much better price. I literally thought this was gonna be so much more expensive, but it does feel very, very good. This is the kind of lip gloss that I can put on before bed because I know I'll wake up without lips that feel like the ass end of a fish. Like, even now, my lips feel super hydrated. The gloss, I guess it is still there, but it looks more like I have supple lips and not necessarily glossy lips. I don't know. Might also be because I'm talking a shit ton and I did just take a sip of my drink, so half of it's probably on there. But even so, even if this doesn't last all fucking day, I do really like it, and the price is right. So this little bitch is kind of a tongue twister. It says, juicy, shade shifting lip luminizer drenched in pearlescent reflex. Formulated with rich sea buckthorn extract and camellia oil, this mother of pearl gloss will hydrate your lips while delivering a smooth, shining, iridescent effect. Completely non-sticky, love that. Wear it alone or over your favorite lip liner to lipstick. I think that should say lip liner or lipstick maybe? Or lip liner and lipstick? I don't know, who fucking cares? But this is gluten-free, talc-free, and always cruelty-free. And then last up, what's our last one? Oh, the liner. Okay, so this Appeal Gel Liner retails for $21. That does seem a little bit expensive, but it was also super creamy, and I'm almost wondering if it didn't stay on because it's so warm in here. With it being like over 110 degrees in here, it's very difficult to give accurate readings on this shit, so I have no idea, but it's $21. Line and define your eyes or lips with this new Appeal Gel Liner. You can do your lips with this. Maybe I should try that. Let me wipe all of this off. Let's see how this goes on the lips. Oh, that is so creamy. I'm just gonna use it as a normal lipstick, I think. Okay, so maybe not the best idea to use it as a lipstick because once you do blend it out, it does become a little bit patchy, but even so, it is very comfortable on the lips. Like, I can't really feel it. I'm not sure if my lips still have some moisture on it from that gloss. That could be. But this is a perfect base, and yes, it does make a really, really good liner. But really, I cannot take myself seriously right now because it does look so patchy. So let me go wipe this off, and then we can see how much everything cost in total. All right, that's a little bit better. Not that that was ugly. I thought the color was really cool. I just think that the lip gloss kind of messed it up a little bit. And if we were to add up the total retail price for everything that we got in today's box, it's almost $130, like $21 for $130. That's not bad. And with this box, there really isn't anything that I'm disappointed in. Like, everything that I got, I probably will use. I really like these brushes. I mean, yes, they were expensive, but who really cares about the price tag at this point? They could be $100 and we still only paid $21, so who gives a flying fuck? And I especially love this lip gloss. Hold on, I want a little bit more. I'm very excited to try this mask later and hopefully reduce some of my redness. This little beast right here, I think I'm actually gonna take to my families when I go and visit them in case anybody wants me to do their makeup because this does seem like a really good kind of one and done palette. No, it doesn't have a light transition shade, but I don't really even think it needs that. Like, just apply a little bit of the brown and a shimmer and you'd be good. And then this liner, I don't dislike it, but it's certainly not my favorite item that we got today. I am very willing to experiment with it. It's just, it's so creamy that it does kind of scare me, and I have super watery eyes, so I'm not sure that it'll last very long. But either way, I am appreciative that I got this because I do kind of want to venture outside of my norm and try new colors, and this is a fabulous opportunity to do that. One more sip of my bubbly, hold on. For anyone wondering, I got this at Kroger. No, it's not sponsored, but I just add a little bit of liquid stevia to it. Tastes just like root beer. I'm truthfully faking that it tastes gross because it honestly does taste pretty good. Anyways, thank you all so much for being here. I always love having you. Like I said before, if you yourself would like to become a BoxyCharmer, please feel free to use the link down below, but do not feel obligated to go through me. It's there if you want it. And of course, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget, my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye!